Let me ask you this question, okay? You have this Facebook group and it's cricket and it's a ghost town and nobody's really doing anything. And you are going on posting as a coach because you have so much value to offer to the world. And you're just going on posting and you're hiring people for algorithm to get people to, to get their eyeballs. Nothing is moving. Or you may have just given up on the idea of running a Facebook group altogether because it's super overwhelming. Guys, it doesn't have to be this difficult. It's the simplest thing under the sun. So answer this question for me again. What is the best way to warm up your community to turn them into paid clients for your beautiful offers and programs? Is it a community where you can warm up your people the fastest, right? So what if we could absolutely bypass this whole system of having to create thousands of pieces of content every month to try and warm up our people and turn them into hard fans and then sign them up into paid clients? What if we could turn that around, use new age technology, use new age systems, and what would that do to your business, guys? Yes? Himani Jain here, guys. They call me the sales queen because I help build new age, automated, AI powered sales systems that create a beautiful experiential journey for all your people who come into your world, that are absolute fun to go through, that not only warm up your people like this within the first week of them joining your world, even works for the old people, as well as qualifies them and pulls out those people who are absolutely rabid fans and who are ready to buy, and book those calls with them every single week, okay? So for the very, very first time, what we've done is we've put together this absolutely amazing, unique workshop for you guys, which is called AI Group Reboot. It's a sales workshop for coaches. And what we are doing in here is we are going through step by step the entire process of how to create this automated, in the background, not in the face, this group funnel, which is absolutely automated, and it works like your best sales funnel, if I may say it. And it's super simple, it's super easy to create. We've been doing it for years. I've been building these systems for all my clients, my 6-figure, 7-figure coaching clients, and their businesses have gone on a roll from there. So this is one of those workshops that you just cannot miss. If you have a ton of value to offer to the world and your reach is not that much and your conversion rates are very, very low, or you see there's a lot of room for improvement, you can sign up way more clients within your audience, even if you have a small audience, while you want to save a whole ton of your time in trying to nurture everyone, trying to build a rapport with everyone, you will. But what we do is we automate a big chunk of the work already so that you can save time, put it in your pocket, and use a little bit of that to start humanizing the connection, because that's where the money is. That's where the transformation is. So you cannot miss out on this event, guys. Definitely make sure that you sign up. There's a tiny little fee that we have added just to make sure that this important piece of information, this most powerful sales framework, doesn't land in the hands of people who just keep information sitting in, somewhere in some folder of their computers, right? So we want action takers. It's an implementation workshop happening in a very, very small, intimate environment together with me, where we will set up the whole process step by step so that you can then automate it for all your group members, existing ones as well as new ones, okay? And there's no way you can miss it. How it's going to work is there's a registration link on this page. So I want you to go and hit that button, sign up, get in. There's going to be a replay for those who cannot get the goodness enough and would like to continue getting the ahas even after the workshop. There'll be replays, there'll be a cheat sheet. Even though this is an implementation workshop and we'll be walking through the entire process step by step, making it all happen for you so that you have a whole funnel, a whole new group funnel ready to fire, while using the most amazing, simple, so much fun, a secret tool that we use. So I'm going to walk you through the process, but also there'll be a live Q&A session, because I know a lot of you will have a lot of questions, because this is new age technology. People come up with a whole lot of questions in my workshop. So we're going to leave a Q&A session right at the end as well to make sure that everybody's questions get answered. So this is the only way that I know in the world of internet. Been teaching this for years, organically, manually, becoming a manual laborer to Facebook. This is the coolest way, the smartest way to help you make quantum jumps in your business, where you will be able to actually set up a whole group funnel in the background with just a few pieces of content, without having to write or create more pieces of content. Okay, so there's a whole strategy to it. I'm going to walk you through it in a way that your whole posting problem goes away, in a way that you serve these important touch points to people in a way that they actually receive it, that they actually watch it, and keep your group automatically engaged, automatically on the top, automatically rolling, even if you are hands-free, even if you're traveling, even if you don't know who's watching what. All of this just goes on in the background, and people turn into your hot buyers every single day. It's been happening for us for years now, and I want to share this beautiful technology with you because it's been a game changer. So imagine a rock solid combination of the ability to generate leads and new audience and creating a tribe on one hand, and then being able to nurture them using this beautiful invisible sales funnel, as I call it, and completely switching your focus to serving more clients, to adding value to their lives, to making an impact in people's lives, and to watch that transformation happen. Weren't you born to do exactly that, coach? Yes? I cannot wait to see you on the other side and serve you and work together with you.